Hello, Read teachers. I'm excited to announce that you now are going to have activities and assignments that will be really super easy for your students to do via distance learning, or even if you're in the classroom. Currently, the only grade level that has these is first grade, but everyone else will have them within the next couple of weeks. Let me show you what those look like. So it's going to appear here and it's going to say tier activities. Pretty soon you'll see separate activities for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. But currently right now we've put in activities that will fit everybody right away. So as you click on tier activities, you are going to see there are going to be some phonics activities and comprehension activities. So for example here, if I click on Word Maker Square Practice, you're going to see that there is the game that the students are going to play, the directions are below it, and then there's a place that the students can hit to have the directions read to them. There are also some new games. For example, here, students can hit Start Practice. They will read the word and push to speak. Nap. And it lets them know right away if they have it right or wrong. Currently, there's no way to report this to you and how they do, but that I've been told is going to be available to you at the end of the month, or at least in 1 month's time. So that is coming. They have the ability to practice reading the words, and they have the ability to practice writing the words.
A.
So she's going to say it first, and then she'll say it slowly.
A.
And then the students will simply type it in. Then there are other games that are in there, and let me show you kind of how those work. If we're going to do the analyzing characters, you can see here the kids will simply drag the words right to where they go. And then for some of them, there are little cards like this that will read what this is saying and teach them about it. For this particular slide, it's going to have the directions below. So the directions are read to them, instructing them to go to slide 6. So then the students would simply go to slide 6. They would watch the video, just like the instructions tell them to do. And then there are questions down here for them to answer. And then the students can actually record their answers. And like I said, eventually this is going to be sent to you, so you'll be able to monitor that. So currently, first grade is the only one that has these. 5th grade will be next, and then we'll go right through the other grade levels for you. Super excited that you now have something that you can assign to your students. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.